Welcome to Tallo. Today we're going to walk you through how you can connect to companies and colleges using your Tallo profile. We are under the Explore tab, and when you scroll down, you can see our suite of Tallo partners. We are in the View All tab, but if you'd like, you can drill down into the Companies tab, Colleges tab, or Workforce Initiatives. You can directly search a partner that you know you want to reach out to, take a look at their profile, or you can see all of our Tallo profiles here in our suite listed alphabetically. Down below, we see our partner spotlights, where you can see YouTube videos that they have created, work flexibility, culture, and as well as any opportunities they might have. The other way you can connect to colleges and companies is by the nudge feature. So I have one notification up here, and I can see that Target just nudged me. And it says, "Hello, we have a Target mentorship opportunity and would love you to check it out and apply if you feel it's a good fit for you." And the call to action is to visit a website. So these are the different ways under the Explore tab that you can connect to companies and colleges. Good luck and enjoy your journey on Tallo.